like the sound of that. Alright. Here we go. We ready to roll. We ready, we ready. We ready to roll. Let's turn it up, start the show. Here we go.
Una sa lahat, congratulations sa lahat ng mga magtatapos ngayong araw. Nagtitipon tayo para ipagdiwang ang napakahalagang ito ng inyong buhay. Ang sandali ito ay hindi lang pagtatapos ng isang kabanata, kundi simula ng isa namang napakagandang pagtuloy ng inyong biyahe sa buhay. Palagi kong sinasabi, hindi lang kayo ang kinabukasan ng Pilipinas, kundi kayo na mismo ang Pilipinas. Nasa mga kamay ng mga kabataang Pilipino, gaya ninyo, ang direksyong tatakakin ng ating bansa.
Throughout my academic journey, I was fortunate to be surrounded by inspiring classmates, teachers, and individuals who motivate me to persist and pursue my education. Their intelligence and influence exceeded my expectations and drove me to aspire more.
Our journey became light and memorable because of the amazing people we met at CAAD. The unexpected friendship we had for us to enjoy and treasure every moment of experience in senior high school. They haven't given up on chasing our dreams. They've been there to support us and experience a healthy environment because of them.
Alinsunod sa tema ng ating taon na ito, naniniwala ako sa mahalagang papel ng mga kabataan sa pagpapatatag at pagpapaunlad ng ating bansa. Sabi nga po ng aking ama, the brightest pages in the history of our nation have been written with the sweat and the pain, the blood and the lives, and the thoughts and the dreams of our